So today we're installing a pedestal sink. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install the faucet. What we're going to do first is we're going to take some plumber's putty and we're going to put it around here. We're going to seal it. So that keeps the water from going down on the back side of the sink. We're going to roll it real, about an 1/8 inch. Put it all the way around here. Set it on here, and then when we put the nuts back here, we'll compress that putty and create a nice seal. Hand tight usually works for this. Install the water supply lines. Usually they're 1/2 inch to 3/4. This is a 1/2 inch pipe thread, 3/4 compression. They can vary house to house, but this is what we're using today. The reason why I'm installing it this way is it's easier to get up here and tighten this one with a good seal now than trying to reach up there later on. These ones are going to want to be pretty tight, so you're going to want to tighten them with a wrench. Reason? This needs to be a watertight seal. Next step is going to be the drain. So what we're going to do for the drain, I'm going to set it up here in my lap. We also need to seal the drain so water doesn't come down. So we're going to take some more of that plumber's putty. Plumber's putty is pretty cheap. It's like $1 for a whole bottle of this. And you're going to wrap it around here, seal it just like you did the faucet. And this allows the drain to seal so it doesn't sink or it doesn't leak. Set it right down in there. Seat it, give it a nice 1/4 turn if you can. If not, just press it down there real good. Next, we're going to install the gasket on the bottom side. Here. That slides over here. And that just helps seal it some more. Get a better angle. The nut tightens everything up. This one I'm also going to tighten with the wrench, because this one needs to be watertight also. Next up, we're going to set the pedestal. Okay, now we're going to set the pedestal and we're going to start installing the P-track. So first of all, we're going to get the pedestal set semi where we want it. This is a compression nut, and you can see that. We're going to slide this in here right now. You can see this ring right here, this is the ring that seals it. So this goes here, to make sure the nut's on first. And this should be a very tight seal. Slide that in there. Tighten it up just a taste. And we're going to set the pedestal. Get it close to where we want it. We've already pre-drilled holes for where we want to set the big sink. And what we're going to use is wing nuts.